Welcome, everyone, to Lesson 10, Accountability in AI Systems. Let me begin with a thought experiment. Imagine a customer walks into your store angry because an AI-powered recommendation sent them the wrong product at the wrong time with the wrong message. Who do they hold responsible? The algorithm, the software company, or you? The answer is obvious. It's you. The scales of justice on this slide remind us of responsibility, and no matter how advanced AI becomes, it cannot carry those scales. It cannot apologize. It cannot explain itself in plain language. Accountability always comes back to humans, to the people and businesses who choose to use AI. Keep that in mind as we explore this lesson. Now let's talk about why accountability is so critical, especially for small and medium businesses. AI can analyze data, yes. It can make recommendations, even predictions. But what it cannot do is own an outcome. It cannot stand in court. It cannot reassure a nervous customer. It cannot be fined, praised, or punished. And here's where SMBs face a unique challenge. Large corporations can sometimes hide behind layers of bureaucracy, PR teams, or legal firewalls. But small businesses, we operate in close proximity to our customers. Trust is everything. A single AI misstep can undo years of reputation building. So accountability isn't just a philosophical idea, it's a shield for your credibility. It's what convinces customers that even if mistakes happen, you will step up and make it right. Let me ground this with a case study. A logistics SMB introduced an AI system to optimize delivery routes and cut costs. After crunching the numbers, the AI suggested reducing their delivery fleet by 30%. The data looked convincing, the savings attractive. Management approved the recommendation without asking further questions. But what did the AI miss? The holiday season. Demand surged, and suddenly there weren't enough vehicles. Orders piled up, deliveries were late, and customers left in frustration. Now, who was accountable? Was it the AI that gave the recommendation? No, the AI did exactly what it was designed to do: analyze past data. The accountability lay with the managers who failed to apply human judgment. This is a common mistake, confusing AI's analysis with final authority. Accountability always requires human validation. So, where does this principle show up most often in small businesses? Let's break it down. Marketing. If your AI driven ads mislead customers or cross ethical boundaries, accountability lies with your marketing manager, not the software. Hiring. If your AI powered resume screening system filters out women or minority candidates unfairly, it's your HR team that must answer for it. Supply chain. If efficiency optimizations hurt reliability, your operations managers are responsible for those outcomes. Finance. If AI powered lending models unfairly deny credit to a demographic group, your business leaders are accountable. Do you see the pattern? In every domain, AI is a tool. The humans who choose to use it and approve its outputs hold the accountability. Let's pause for reflection. In your own business, if your AI system makes a harmful decision tomorrow, who is accountable? Do you have names, roles, and responsibilities clearly defined? And here's a deeper question. Are you comfortable standing in front of a regulator, a journalist, or a customer and saying, I approve this outcome? If the answer is no, then accountability structures in your business may need work. Accountability is not something you assign after a problem, it's something you design into your processes before the system ever goes live. Let's do a quick recap with a couple of questions. First, who is accountable, the AI or the humans deploying it? The answer is always the humans. Second, why can't accountability be shifted to technology? Because accountability requires ethics, judgment, and liability. Machines can't carry those qualities, only people can. So remember this: AI can process, AI can recommend, but only humans can take responsibility. That's the essence of accountability in AI systems. To close this lesson, here's the key takeaway. Accountability cannot be automated. No matter how advanced AI becomes, responsibility rests with people. In our next lesson, we'll expand this idea by looking at human oversight. Accountability often comes after the fact, when things have already gone wrong. Oversight, on the other hand, helps us prevent harm before it happens. Let's see why keeping humans in the loop is essential.